Today we're going to talk about Minelab's most popular series, the Adventure series. Minelab makes the 305, the 505, and the 705. The 705 comes in two different models. The 705 Standard, which is going to have your 9-inch spider coil, concentric, and it's going to run in 7.5 kilohertz. And then the 705 Gold is the same machine as the 705 Standard. The only difference is the coil. It's a 10-inch elliptical double D. It runs in 18.75 kilohertz. So I'm going along. Okay, so there's a target. This is what happens. If you only hear it when you're going one way and not coming back, you have to step over to the side. Just like if I'm over here. So what do? I have to cross across that and then come back because I want to hear it going both ways. Now I can hear it both ways. So I narrow my sweep, and when I start hearing that, I know it's right in that area. Now, how do I know if it's a surface target? Well, first of all, on the X-Terra series, it has a depth indicator. On coin-sized targets only, folks, a big can is going to tell you that it's shallower than it really is. So if it's 6-8 inches, a big can is going to read like it's 2 inches. Each arrow represents 1 to 2 inches. At 3 inches, I was actually 3 inches. If I'm up close, it's given 1 arrow. That's because my ring is a coin-sized target. Now, this target here, what if you hear this? That's not multiple targets, folks. It's one target. This is what we do. It's seeing different size of the coil. Watch my ring. So if you've got a coin just under the surface, a coin-sized target, or out in the grass, it's fairly shallow, and you're hearing all this, it's not a bunch of targets, it's one target. Lift the coil off the ground. So here, I've got a target, and I'm getting double beeps. So I turn 90. Okay, now, watch as I lift the coil. 1 beep. Right there. I bet you it's right in the center of this coil. Let's start moving. There it is, right there. It's a new quarter. Remember, I'm going to lay the quarter right here so you can see. If you get multiple beeps, I'm slowing it down so you can see it. If I move it, it's gone. So that's the problem, is we have to lift the coil to get 1 beep. Go down, and it's right there in the center. Now, another way is called the heel-toe method. I'm going across my target, I narrow my sweep, I start backing up. Notice it's gone. Go forward, back up, it's gone. It's right near the toe. It'll do the same thing on the heel of the coil. It stopped, back up, right at the heel. That's called the heel-toe method of pinpointing with the Minelab X-Terra Adventure series. This is happens to be the 505. The biggest thing is pinpointing and getting that beep. Well, I know it's over there. I can tell because I'm not hearing anything when I move left. So I have to cross it and then come back. Narrow my sweep until I get that. Back off. It stops. Go forward. It stops right at the front. Now, I didn't even use the pinpoint mode. How do we use the pinpoint mode? Remember, if it's a surface target, I'm getting multiple beeps, right? I can lift the coil. I come off the target. I push the pinpoint mode. It's an all metal pinpoint mode, meaning if there's any ferrous targets around there or any other targets, it's going to see them. So I lift the coil and then I bring it down right to that area. It's right in the center, and that's where it's making the most noise, and that's where you see your full ring. Right there. You see how easy that was? Now, when you're done, what do? Push the middle button. We're ready to take off and start detecting and finding some more. Can you dig it?